Quantitative aptitude 1, numbers we are discussing, introduction. Before going to see this video, one more video is there on numbers introduction. You go through that first, then you see this video. So we learned how many types of numbers are there in the previous video. What are even numbers? What are odd numbers? So what is multiples? What are the factors? How can you identify? So what is prime numbers? What is composite number? That we learned in the previous video. Now in this video, so what is meant by twin primes? Twin, the name itself says here 2. So the difference of prime numbers is 2. What is the definition of twin prime? The difference of prime numbers is 2. Let it be one example, 3, 5. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So what is the difference of these two? 2. If the difference of two prime numbers is 2, we say that is called twin prime. So 3, 5 is called twin prime series. Next is 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Just like up to 100, 8 twin primes are there. By practicing that also you have to put in your mind it is twin primes list up to 100. Next one is co-primes or relatively primes. What is the definition? Co-primes or relatively primes. Any two numbers HCF is equal to 1. HCF equal, for any two numbers HCF equal to 1, we say that numbers are called co-primes or relatively primes. Suppose let it be one example 8, 15. What is the HCF of 8, 15? We know the shortcut. What is the HCF shortcut? Both the values are divisible by which number? That is called HCF. So 8, 15, both the values are divisible by only 1. 8 is divisible by 2, but 15 is not divisible by 15 is divisible by 3, but 8 is not divisible by 3. So both the values are divisible by only 1. So HCF is 1. So that 8, 15 pair is called co-prime. By observing here, 8 is not a prime number, 15 is not a prime number, but that pair is called co-prime according to our definition. What is our definition? Any two numbers HCF equal to 1, we say that numbers are called co-primes or relatively primes to each other. So 8, 15 is co-prime. Similarly, take one more example. One prime number, one composite number you have to take. 7, 15. 7 is a prime number, 15 is a composite number. But that pair 7, 15 is called co-prime. Why? What is the HCF of 7, 15? Both the values are divisible by only 1. So 7, 15 pair is called co-prime it is. Take any two prime numbers. 7, 13. All prime numbers has only two factors, 1 and itself. Highest common factor also 1 for all prime numbers. So here 7, 13. 7 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. That pair is also called co-prime it is. What is the HCF of 7, 13? Both the values are divisible by only 1. So what we say here, important note, all prime numbers are co-primes. Why? All prime numbers has 1 is common factor. And highest common factor also 1. It has only two factors. Prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. So highest common factor for all the prime numbers is 1. HCF is 1. So we say all prime numbers are co-primes, but all co-primes are not primes. So 8, 15 is co-prime. We know, but it is not the prime number. So important note, all prime numbers are co-primes, but all co-primes are not prime cities. Now take any two consecutive numbers. 9, 10, HCF is 1. 10, 11, HCF is 1. 11, 12, HCF is 1. For any two consecutive numbers, HCF is 1, that are called co-primes to each other. Very important. Co-primes means any two numbers, HCF equal to 1, we say that numbers are called co-primes or relatively primes to each other. Next one is a perfect number. What is meant by perfect number? We know perfect square, we know perfect cube. Now here the perfect number. What is the definition of perfect number? Sum of the factors of a given number is sum of the factors of a given number is exactly twice the given number. Sum of the factors of a given number is exactly twice the given number. That numbers are called perfect numbers. Up to 100, there are only two perfect numbers, 6 and 28. Up to 100, only two perfect numbers are there, 6 and 28. Take the factors of 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 factors are there. What is the sum of the factors now? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. How much you got? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So number is 6. Sum of the factors is 12. Exactly twice the given number. So it is the perfect number. Similarly, 28. What are the factors of 28? 28 is divisible by 1, divisible by 2, divisible by 4, divisible by 7, divisible by 14, divisible by 28. These are the factors of 28. Now take the sum of the factors now. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. How much you got? 56. 56. Number is 28. Sum of the factors is 56. Exactly twice the given number. So according to our definition, sum of the factors of a given number is exactly twice the given number. We say that numbers are called the perfect number series. So up to 100, only two perfect numbers are there, 6 and 28. Other than these two numbers, if you take any number and take the sum of the factors may be more than twice the number or less than the twice the number. So equal to twice the number is only 6 and 28 it is. So 6 and 28 are called the perfect numbers. In the next video, I will discuss with you what are the different categories of numbers. Thank you to all of you.